Hey there, savvy savers. If you're here, you're probably thinking about switching from your Capital One Savor card to the Quicksilver card. Maybe you're looking to simplify your rewards structure or avoid those category-specific bonuses. Whatever your reason, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. It's easier than you might think, but always remember to check how this change affects your current balances and rewards. First off, let's quickly recap the cards. The Capital One Savor is great for cashback on dining, entertainment, and groceries, but if you want a straightforward, flat-rate cashback on everything, Quicksilver might be your new best friend. Downgrading means you'll lose the Savor perks but gain simplicity. Think 1.5% cashback on all purchases with Quicksilver. Step 1. Log into your Capital One online account. Head over to the Capital One website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Savor card. Step 2. Look for product change options. Sometimes, Capital One lets you request a downgrade directly through the app or website. Check under Account Services or Card Management for any downgrade or upgrade buttons. If you don't see it, don't worry. That's where Step 3 comes in. Step 3. Contact Capital One customer service. The easiest way is to call the number on the back of your card or use the chat feature in the app. Politely explain that you'd like to downgrade your Savor card to Quicksilver. Be prepared to answer questions about your account, like why you're making the change and if you have any outstanding balances. Step 4. Confirm the details. Once approved, they'll walk you through what happens next. Your new Quicksilver card might arrive in the mail, and your old Savor account could be closed or converted. Make sure to ask about any potential fees. Downgrades are often free, but it's good to double-check. Finally, after the switch, keep an eye on your statements to ensure everything transferred smoothly. If you have rewards or points, confirm how they're handled. This simple move could save you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your favorite Capital One card? Let me know in the comments below.